It is the biggest drug haul India has reported in quite some time. The amount of drugs we're talking about is 3,000 kgs of heroin. After the DRI seized that, and it is said to be estimated worth of nearly 21,000 crore. Now, all of this happened at the Mundra port in Gujarat just about a week ago. And those people arrested so far is just a couple whose name in the import-export license was taken, and they have been arrested in Chennai. They have a registered address in Vijayawada as well. Now, what is the Andhra Pradesh connection to this narcotic trail, and was this intended for Delhi after all? Uma Sudhir decodes the news for you.
So what is the Andhra Pradesh connection to the huge consignment of heroin, about 3,000 kg worth about 21,000 crore rupees that came to Mundra port in Gujarat on the 15th of this month? What we understand is that the consignment bill in fact mentions an address called Ashi Trading Company in Vijayawada, in a place called Satyanarayanapuram in the Gadiyanaram street in Vijayawada, a very nondescript place. What we are being told is that there was absolutely no activity that was happening there in fact, but that place was registered. The GST number was taken by a person called Vaishali in August 2020, and it's a couple, Vaishali and Sudhakar, who live in Chennai, who have now been taken into custody by the agencies and being questioned. What they have told the agencies is that an earlier consignment had arrived in fact in June 2021, a very similar consignment. And from the questioning of these two people also, the agencies have come to the conclusion that these may only have been name lenders to this entire operation. They were being given a small commission, 30,000 rupees for every container that comes in, and Sudhakar has got about 3 lakh rupees, we are told, in Hawala for the kind of custom clearance and transport charges, because the consignment that came in June 2021, a very similar consignment, was not in fact brought to Vijayawada but taken directly to Delhi, and that transport was arranged by Sudhakar, and it was handed over to someone who the foreign supplier had mentioned. The place of origin for all this is Afghanistan, but the certificate of origin appears to be fake, they say, because the same numbers were there in the certificate of origin this time as well as in the June consignment, and also in another consignment of talc that came down to the same Mundra port. The consignment has been marked out as talc, and what the agencies believe is that this particular couple may not have been aware of the real nature of the consignment, that narcotics were in fact being imported through this license that they had obtained. The role of this couple seems to be limited to having registered such a company and providing the the export-import license number that they had and the GST that they had, some kind of a front so that the import could take place. What agencies are also telling us is that there possibly are multiple such operators, and this is something that's called layering, meaning to say that the consignment is diverted to another area and then moved to Delhi or elsewhere the destination could be, and not in an area where in fact drugs happen more regularly, known to be on the drug routes, say a Maharashtra or a Gujarat or even Rajasthan. In this particular case, Vijayawada is not really known to be on the drug route, and that's one reason it may have been diverted through here. Though the couple has said that they did not in fact receive any consignment at Vijayawada, but they were expecting 2 more consignments to arrive in fact shortly. The second aspect of this is that in the country of origin was Afghanistan, a place called Navruz province in Afghanistan, where in fact talc is not produced at all. It is only in another province nearby that talc is produced, but this was sent from there to the port in Bandar Abbas port in Iran, from where in fact the consignment was sent to the Gujarat port, Mundra port in Gujarat. The police right now interrogating who could be more important kingpins in this. Interrogations, we are told, are happening at the Gujarat end and also at the Delhi end, Chennai end, where the couple was in fact arrested. They are people who live in Chennai. The investigating agencies do not believe that they were playing any main role and that they were only being used as a front by these organizations.